King Township is shining the spotlight on King Automotive Repair Service.
My name is Jim and this is my partner James. We've been in Nobleton in the business for 9 years. Business picked up really well and we love serving the community of Nobleton, King City, Schaumburg.
The town is growing a lot and we do get a lot of new business from referrals from our old customers as well.
So our customers are very loyal to us and we are very loyal to them.
We do feel that we have a great team here, that the customers do actually call the mechanics by their first names. It's very personal. The customers feel comfortable walking into the shop, talking with any of us about their vehicles and driving them around, picking them up.
When I go into town to get a coffee, I see my customers, I want to look at their face, shake their hand and not say, oh, I didn't fix his or her car right, because we tried to fix the car right the first time.
So I've been coming here since Jim opened, and basically when I look at a shop, I'm looking for somebody who's trustworthy. And every time I bring my vehicle here, I know I'm comfortable to know that they're only going to do what needs to be done and recommend what's safe for me to make sure that my vehicles are in good working order.
You just don't find this kind of quality and personalized service anywhere. And that's what makes King Automotive Repair Service really stand out.